Hi to all, this is Shubham and I welcome to all for this session on how to install Android Studio on your system. Any developer out there dream to develop Android application. To develop an Android app, you should have proper IDE, which is Android Studio. You should know any of the programming language like Java and Kotlin. So we will download Android Studio. First of all, we will go to Google Chrome and here we will write Android Studio. Now here we will download Android Studio. Android Studio provides fastest tools for developing on every type of Android devices. So here we will download Android Studio. So I will tell you the requirements. What requirements are required to download the Android Studio? If you are downloading on the Windows, you should have Microsoft Windows 7, 8, 10. It should be of 64-bit and you should have 4 GB RAM minimum and 8 GB RAM is recommended. You should have 2 GB of available disk space, and after that, to run the emulator, you should have 4 GB recommended 500 MB for IDE plus 1.5 GB for a SDK and emulator system image. So in the Windows we have these requirements. For the Mac you should have these requirements. For the Linux you should have these requirements, and for the Chrome operating system you should have these requirements to follow. Here we are downloading the Android Studio. Here is the interface of the Android Studio, which is integrated development environment. Here we download the Android Studio. For the Windows 64-bit, you should have 64-bit Window 10. Now here we will install the Windows Android Studio. Now here we will set up the Android Studio. We will follow these steps to set up the Android Studio. Now here we will install Android Studio. Here we successfully set up the Android Studio. Here we will open the Android Studio. Now after that we will download the SDK, which is a software development kit. With the use of that we will make the Android application in Android Studio that provide us the tools to develop the Android application by using software development kit in Android Studio. Here we will work with the two programming languages like Java and Kotlin. We will now download this all stuff. This download will take 1 to 2 hours. So after the download is completed, we will start working on the Android Studio to build the Android application. So thank you to all my friends, those who subscribed my YouTube channel, and I am very thankful. And in the next tutorial, I will explain you all the components, key and components of Android Studio. Thank you, friends.